TANTIKC Household Indoor Fitness Adjustable Multifunctional Barbell Rack Squat Bench Press Trainer. Multifunctional use can be utilized as a squat shelf, weights shelf, bench press, squat, dumbbell rack, etc. Very easy to save and also make use of room. Safe as well as dependable multifunctional sports equipment, fine workmanship and also far better security. Made of premium thick steel pipes, sturdy. The setting up is straightforward, appropriate for family members' use, as well as convenient for everyday health and fitness. Change to fit your elevation, perfect for grown-ups or children, health and fitness enthusiasts and also elders can relax at residence in the sports area to assist you work out properly. Provider we give top quality solutions. Please contact us in time if you have any concerns. If the product has issues throughout transport, we will handle it for you ASAP. Heavy-duty steel structure material, dual height adjustable, strong and also durable. The mats are non-slip to avoid damage to the floor, which also increases security. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.